The ankle has 7 tarsal bones. So instead of saying carpals, you say tarsals. There are only 7 of them, whereas there are 8 wrist bones. And the reason that there are only 7 is because the calcaneus is so big that it's the size of 2 bones that are normally found in the ankle. So the calcaneus is very large. Now, this bone right here is the most superior. It's called the talus. And the tibia, your lower leg bone, will fit right over that. It'll form a nice arch over it, like that. So that's the talus. And right behind that is what you would call the heel bone, or the calcaneus. Now look at from the side how big that is. That is a big bone. And if you bruise your heel, then you have bruised your calcaneus. Okay, now the next one right here is called the navicular. So it's right in front of the talus. The navicular looks just like one of those ready to go in the oven cookie dough things. So do you know those tubes that you can buy or biscuits, like cinnamon roll biscuits? They're kind of round and you pull the dough apart. That's what the navicular looks like, is one of those. See that flat surface? Oh, it makes me want to eat a cinnamon roll right now. Okay, now this, if you go to the big toe, here's the big, you can't see it all right there, but this is the big toe. At the base of the big toe starts the cuneiform bones. And cuneiform means wedge-shaped. So you have the medial cuneiform, the intermediate cuneiform, and the lateral cuneiform. And you see that those cuneiforms all fit at the base of the navicular. So they make a bit of a trapezoid shape almost. So the navicular is the base for the medial cuneiform, intermediate cuneiform, and lateral cuneiform. Then the most lateral bone on the ankle is the cuboid. So to do them again, from back to front and then left to right, calcaneus, talus, or talus, sorry, calcaneus, talus, navicular, medial cuneiform, intermediate cuneiform, lateral cuneiform, cuboid. Now, the foot bones themselves, there's 5 of them. They're called metatarsals. Meta means middle, so they're in the middle of the foot. And then the phalanges are all your toes. And you'll see that each toe has 3 bones. 1, 2, 3. So 3 phalanges, except for your big toe, which only has 2 phalanges. The same pattern is seen in the hand. Where you have 5 metatarsals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 phalanges for each finger, except for the thumb, which only has 2. So it's the same pattern as we see in the foot, for a total of 14 phalanges in each hand and foot. All right, so we'll go ahead and stop again.